Give you the mic and then introduce the membership.
It's been a while.
新潮。
Hello. Okay. Hi everyone. It's been a while. For the ones that don't know us, my name is Visai, my wife Kimmy. We also have 3 girls. The oldest is Evelyn. You guys probably remember her. The middle one is Nala. She's the older one is 23. The second one is 13, which is Nala. We have a baby, which is 4. So they're all far apart, but our little one's no special, so if you guys could pray for her, that'd be great. And it's been a long time. I think it's been maybe 13 years? 13, 14 years?
Maybe, yeah.
You've been here?
Yeah, I think so.
Yes, it's been a while, but we kind of drift away from church because like work schedule, stuff like that. They're great. Pastors are great. It's like example, right? Let's just say you went to a foster family, the parents are great and everything, and but after a while you don't have any siblings, no family. So that's why we came back here, because all of us are pretty much family here. And even though we haven't been together for a long time, we're still happy to see each other. So yeah, that's why we're back. And I'm happy to see that all the times we've been gone, the church has grown. There's a lot of new faces here. And hopefully in the near future, I get to know all of you. And you guys see me around, say hi. Regardless of what people say, I'm really actually a nice guy. So say hi, come by and say hi.
Txais or Kimmy, rong xia tiền nó họ đã có tôn chỉ nên rong xia hình hạt tiền. Wow, nên lo cơ đi lợ, nên cứ bắt tin chắc chắn tất kỳ đi lợ mà bé mà rong xia, we're so happy to see everyone again. Kuch mo chin tao thia vì hạt tiền, sai tu hành tao lợ gì. I just wanna what cho nó hạt tiền. I can't really speak right now, I'm so nervous. Accept taka lo no thia talk tini mo china ni sa to ke pa le kya na lo ne ha de thi li po pa ni thia ya de ha wachito no lo ma thia le ya she her pa ni thia okay wachona.
All right, thank you. Peter, go ahead.
No, I just want to say thank you to the Lord for bringing Visai back. I met Visai a long time ago. I think it was last year at Standing Stones. He had longer hair and I was thinner.
That's a lot of losing hair.
And it's weird because I feel like when we get to the day we go live with the Lord, I hope that everybody gets that feeling where, oh, you're back, you made it here to home too. So it's a good feeling to see familiar faces.
Amen. From this day forward, okay, okay, one family of faith, one family, First Snow Baptist family, okay. First Snow we love about, right? And so to know Christ intimately with him was such a, okay? And so from this day forward, again, welcome to the family of First Snow. I'm happy that you guys are here to commit to each other, to grow in the knowledge of Jesus Christ, to grow in grace. We will make mistakes. There is no professional church. The faithful church is the repentful church, right? The faithful church is the church that gives grace every day because he gives grace for us every day. So they make mistakes, yeah. And so when we make mistakes, be open to be accounted for, yeah. You should we move slow for each other so that we make it together, okay? And so commit to each other, learn to surrender, to obey the great commandment, right? Or it's a homecoming, yeah, it's a beautiful homecoming, yeah. It's a symbolic, And then to new way, your motto should to partake in, right? Like the Lord's Supper, yeah, it's Christ, and so it's so shit on the you know, bây giờ chơi Jew của thảo mình chỉ có bé nhá, có bé chỉ nên chỉ có chia nó. Alright, let's pray. Văn chỉ bây giờ có cho new nó văn chỉ có bỏ ra để con gì cho bé bền sinh nó, bé 我当老人文主，被这样的被我个写文主 that you promise to add to our numbers when we are faithful to your mission, to love your people and to reach the lost, Lord, or to remind each other that they are never so broken that they will be away from the Lord, Lord. And you yourself, you give us grace and mercy every day. And so we glad to live that out, to remind each other. Lord, those are big changes that she could always yonder, don't bother be. Chủ bé sẽ bé bình sai, xin mong Chúa số bé có châu nu nó bé có sĩ châu luôn để bé có sĩ thea sĩ châu với chế nên cho ok rồi cộng ít tu chữ bé có chế nên thì theo văn chữ tôi cho được câu giải một câu một tổ project cho bé first mom carry out văn chữ. Thank you for the joy that we get to do that, Lord. And so we welcome this family. Would you bless them? Would you bless us? Would your Spirit minister to all of us to love well and to lead each other, to guide each other, so that we all make it home one day to be in your presence. And so we give you all the thanks and all the glory. Amen. Amen. All right.
Amen.